Okay. Now your question is, find the current drawn from a cell of EMF 1 volt and internal resistance 2/3 connected to the given network. So children, the resistance is shown next to the battery. It's always the internal resistance. So now you have to find current. Now what is my current? Now you know my current is equal to V by R. Alright, so that means our problem is we have to find the total resistance. So what is the total resistance? So again now you have to see. Now you can see that in the resistance in arm AB is 1 ohm. Now see what is the resistance in arm PQ. In PQ you can say that you've got two networks. You can say two small networks. That means this 1 ohm and 1 ohm. As you can see very well, these two are in parallel and these two are in parallel, and then these two parallel resistance are in series. So that means what will be my resistance across the PQ? So that means in my PQ, what is my resistance? Say that my resistance in PQ is R1, and that will be equal to, now these two are in parallel. So you know that when the resistance are in parallel, what is the formula I told you? When the two resistance are in parallel, the resistance will be product by sum. So you can say what will this thing, it will be 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1. Alright, so this is the equal resistance of these two. Similarly, now you have to find, now this is in series with, again these two are in parallel. So again when they are in parallel, what is the formula you will use? That is 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1. So as you can simplify, so you can see that what is this? This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 ohm. So that means this is the resistance R1 in PQ. So that means after simplification, resistance in PQ is 1 ohm, in AB in 1 ohm, and DC is also 1 ohm. Now you can see that all these three arms are connected in parallel. So if these three arms are connected in parallel, now what will be my equivalent resistance? So let's say my equivalent resistance is equal to 1 by R. As you know, in the parallel, 1 by R is equal to reciprocal of each resistance. So 1 by R will be equal to resistance in AB, it's 1 ohm, plus in PQ, it is 1 ohm, and again in DC is again this is 1 ohm. Okay, so this is my, and what will be this? So you will get that this is equal to 3. So what my R will be? My R will be 1 by 3. Alright, so that means what is the equivalent resistance of this network, that is ABCD, is equal to 1 by 3 ohm. Now instead of all this, now you have got the resistance R is equal to 1 by 3. And now one more resistance is there of the resistance of the battery. So now this resistance and the resistance of the battery, they will be connected in series. Alright. So your circuit will somehow, it will reduce like this. You have got resistance R is equal to 1 by 3 ohm, plus now you got battery and its internal resistance is equal to 2 by 3 ohm. So now your circuit is reduced to this. Now you have to find the current. So what's my current? Now what is my total resistance? Okay, let's find the total resistance. So total resistance, you can say that R final will be equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, because these two are connected in series. So what you will get? This is 3 by 3. So this is my 1 ohm. So what will be my current? Now my current, as you know that your current is equal to V by R. And now what is V? What is the EMF of the battery? 1 volt. Okay, so it's 1 volt by 1 ohm. So my current is equal to 1 ampere.